What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates regarding Ideanomics stock, ticker IDEX. We'll be taking a look at some recent news that has come out about Ideanomics and also taking a look at the stock chart. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice and let's jump into it. Since the last time that we talked about Ideanomics here on my channel, we have finally started to see some upward movement in the share price, before more recently at the end of this past trading week starting to pull back. Personally, I believe that this movement in Ideanomics share price was well overdue because I think that the company was trading well below where it should be because of its intrinsic value. There has been a ton of positive news coming out about Ideanomics over the past few months, and I think that investors are now finally starting to notice. Over that time frame, Ideanomics has announced multiple different acquisitions that further serve to strengthen its portfolio, including the acquisition of Timios, as well as the acquisition of Utah-based wireless charging provider Wave. In addition to these acquisitions, Ideanomics is also continuing to show amazing growth with their quarterly reports. Over their past few quarterly reports, Ideanomics has announced revenues that have been able to consistently grow by triple digits. And in addition to that, Ideanomics has also shown impressive growth in its delivery of products and has also signed a deal with Chinese ride-hailing company Didi for 2,000 vehicles. Ideanomics has also announced plans to roll out electric vehicles throughout the United States, Canada, and China throughout 2021, including both vans, motorbikes, buses, and trucks. And while all of this rapid growth has certainly hurt the bottom line in the short term, Ideanomics CEO Alf Poor is dedicated to the company and sees the huge potential ahead of them, recently announcing that he was exercising 250,000 options at an average cost of 27 cents per share. And now other investors have finally started to take notice of all of the huge potential ahead for Ideanomics, with its share price at one point this past month soaring to around $4.11 per share, up well over 150% compared to where it was trading. More recently though, because of all of the volatility that we have been seeing in the market overall due to what's going on with GameStop and AMC, we have started to see Ideanomics pull back from its recent uptrend. At the time that I'm recording this video, Ideanomics is currently trading for $3.87 per share. So what are my thoughts right now about Ideanomics as an investment? Honestly, in the long term, nothing has changed. I still think that Ideanomics has a ton of long-term growth potential ahead of it. I've talked about my bullish thesis about Ideanomics in a previous video, so rather than talking about all of that again, I'll refer you back to that video if you're interested. But in the short term, over the next few weeks to the next few months, who knows what's going to happen? Honestly, I believe that the volatility is going to continue. Valuations have gotten out of hand recently for a lot of companies, so I'm being very selective about what companies I'm currently investing in. And while I do believe in Ideanomics a ton for the long term, I can't say that right now I'm actively buying more shares. What are your thoughts about Ideanomics? Is this a company that you're invested in? Are you thinking about buying shares of IDEX? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? And what do you think about everything that's been going on in the stock market recently? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.